How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Gulikit controller to your PC. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. Basically, right after getting your controller, it comes with this USB dongle right here that we are going to use in order to connect to our computer. Now, you simply want to plug this onto the back of your computer, or if you're using your laptop, just plug it onto the available USB ports. And simply right after, you just want to turn on the actual controller and it will automatically pair with your PC or to add a device. Now, if that didn't work, we can also try using the USB Type-C connection. So you just want to connect the USB-C onto the actual controller. And once again, do the same thing where you plug the USB port onto your computer. And from there, you are simply good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.